Imagine typing a single sentence like, a sad hip hop song about being far from home, and just 2 minutes later you get a full track lyrics, vocals, and a polished, release ready mix. This isn't a concept. This is exactly what Music Creator AI does. In this video, I'll break down whether this tool is actually worth it or not, and if you want to try it yourself, you'll find the website link in the description. Music Creator AI is an all-in-one music creation platform powered by artificial intelligence. It's not just a beat generator or a background music library, it's a full production suite where you can go from a blank idea to a finished, royalty-free song without touching a single instrument or knowing anything about music theory. It launched in 2024 and has been gaining serious traction among YouTubers, content creators, indie musicians, and marketers who need original audio fast and without the licensing headache. The flagship feature is text-to-music generation, and it's genuinely impressive. You type a descriptive prompt, something like an upbeat summer pop anthem with female vocals, warm piano, and a driving beat, and the AI reads the emotion, picks the genre, sets the tempo, selects the instruments, and builds a complete song structure from intro all the way through to the outro. It usually takes about 2 minutes and gives you two different versions to compare. The results are surprisingly coherent. These don't sound like random noise stitched together, they sound like actual songs with melody, dynamics, and emotional arc. If you already have lyrics written and just need the music, there's a lyrics to music mode that does exactly that. You paste in your verses and chorus, choose a style and vocal tone, and the AI analyzes the syllable count, the rhythm of your words, and the emotional weight of the text before composing a melody that fits them naturally. This is genuinely useful for poets, journal writers, or anyone who has always had words in their head but never knew what to do with them musically. The most unique feature on the platform and the one that sets it apart from every competitor I've tested is photo to music. You upload any image, a landscape, a personal photo, a piece of artwork, anything. The AI analyzes the color palette, the lighting, the mood, and the visual atmosphere of the image, then generates a track that captures the same emotional feeling. A golden sunset photo becomes dreamy ambient music with soft pads and gentle textures. A dark rainy city shot becomes something in the synthwave or lo-fi space. It sounds gimmicky until you actually try it, and then it's genuinely moving. Beyond music generation, the platform includes an AI lyrics generator if you need help with the writing itself, a voice synthesis system that turns those lyrics into realistic human-sounding vocals, a vocal remover tool, a stem splitter that separates drums, bass, and guitar into individual tracks, and an AI mastering engine that takes raw audio and outputs something polished and publish-ready. It's a lot of tools in one place, and they actually work together as a coherent workflow rather than feeling bolted on. On pricing, there's a free plan available, but it's extremely limited, really just enough to test the platform with around 2 songs per month. Paid plans currently start at about $14.99 monthly for starter, $29.99 for hobby, $49.99 for professional, and $129.99 for the studio plan. One important thing to understand is that commercial rights are only included with annual subscriptions, not monthly ones. So if you plan to monetize YouTube videos, client projects, or commercial content, you'll need the correct plan before publishing. There's also a refund policy. If you use fewer than 20 credits within the first 3 days after purchase, you can request a refund. The honest positives are real. The interface is clean enough that someone with zero music background can produce something that sounds professional in under 5 minutes. The photo to music feature is genuinely original, and nothing else on the market does it quite the same way. The royalty-free ownership model means you can use what you create without worrying about content ID claims destroying your YouTube revenue. And having the editing tools, mastering, stem splitting, vocal removal built into the same platform saves you from juggling 5 different subscriptions. The real limitations are worth knowing too. The free plan is too restricted to give you a genuine feel for the platform. You can't add credits mid-cycle without upgrading your entire plan. And while the output quality is impressive for casual and content creation use, it's not going to replace a human producer working in Logic Pro on a serious commercial release. The mixing and mastering, while good, aren't on that level. Compared to the main competitors, Suno is probably the strongest overall AI music generator right now in terms of raw song quality and genre range, but it's dealing with active legal disputes with Sony Music over training data. Udio settled with Universal Music Group in late 2025 and is the cleaner choice if licensing legitimacy matters to you. AIVA is the best option for cinematic and orchestral scoring. MusicCreator AI carves out its own space with the photo to music feature, the bundled audio editing tools, and an interface that genuinely feels approachable for people who aren't music producers. The bottom line is that MusicCreator AI is built for content creators, not music professionals. If you're a YouTuber who needs a custom intro, a podcaster who wants original background music, a marketer producing ad audio, or just someone who wants to hear their own words turned into a real song, this platform delivers. If you're a professional producer who needs precise control over every element of a mix, you'll probably hit its ceiling quickly. But for the audience it's actually designed for, it removes barriers that used to require either serious money or serious skill, and that's genuinely valuable. The link to Music Creator AI is right below in the description. Go check it out and see what you can make.